Knowing how to photograph wedding details can be stressful, but the details really set the tone for the whole story of the day. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips for taking better wedding detail photos. Hi friends, I'm Caitlin Workman and I'm here to empower you and encourage you on your photography journey. I'm excited to share these 3 tips with you so that you're better prepared to elevate your portfolio with better wedding detail photos. Let's get right into it. The first step is to prioritize clean light. It is better to spend 15 minutes looking for the best light to start than build a beautiful flat light and crappy light that you won't be able to fix in editing.
You must choose, but choose wisely.
For me, I used to try to style details in the bridal suite, but I found that it was hard to focus and do my best work while also chatting with the bridesmaids, and there was often harsh lighting. So now I look for a quiet room with a large window that I can turn the overhead light off, or even a porch with natural light. You don't need a lot of space, but just enough space with clean light. The second tip is to plan ahead. Recently, I started using a styling mat and they immediately elevated my work, and I regret not doing this sooner. There are a lot of amazing options, but if you want a budget-friendly option to try, I'll put a link in the comments of the ones I've been using. Planning ahead by bringing a styling mat and by reaching out to the florist and asking if they can just bring a few loose florals can really help elevate those details. You would be amazed at what a few florals and a simple styling mat can do. I personally don't like to bring a huge box of additional details because I want to spend time capturing the details that are important to them, not my personal stash, but I do always bring a neutral ring box and a styling mat to showcase it all in the best way. Before we get to the third tip, if you are struggling with posing your clients, check out the link below and grab my free posing guide. The third tip is to remember really close shots. I always start with a wide flat lay of the invitation suite, but especially if you don't have a large invitation or you just have minimal details to work with, focusing on super close-up shots of individual details with a clean background like your styling mat or the veil really helps elevate your portfolio. Using florals in the veil will add texture as well. I use my 100mm lens for these super tight shots of the ring and earrings and other individual details, but if you don't have a macro lens, you can grab a macro adapter for super cheap to add one to your other lenses. If you are interested in a coaching session with me to work on this further, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, I'm cheering you on.